everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to use Canva apps AI tools on mobile for free. If you want to design faster without paying, Canva Design gives you access to powerful AI features right inside the app. First, download the Canva app and then open the Canva app. Then click on the plus button right over here. Next, what you wanna do is at the bottom menu, scroll and look for magic tools. Here you'll see AI options like magic to generate text, edit, change parts of an image, magic eraser. Choose the tool you need to follow the prompts and Canva will instantly create or edit for you. Always double check AI generated content before publishing. Sometimes text or images may not be accurate or appropriate. Quick fix: if you do not see all these options, update the Canva app to the latest version, then log out and log back in. Free accounts still get limited access to magic tools but only show up on the newest build. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.